Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with CPA marketing in 2024. Actually, I'm going to show you a big and well-trusted company that will pay you up to 10 cents per click. But this looks easy, but actually there is a catch. So you need to watch this video very carefully to see what the catch is. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called CJ or Commission Junction. It is affiliate marketing website. It is affiliate network just like ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other. And you need to click here on Get Started. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on Sign Up. And then you need to populate all of these fields here and you need to verify your email account. Now after that, you will be able to promote different kind of products and websites on this website here on Commission Junction. After that, you need to go on website called TripAdvisor. I believe that many of you heard for this website. This is a well-known and trusted website. So what you need to do, you need to scroll down on the bottom and you need to click here on Become an Affiliate. And here you can find more information about their affiliate program and how their affiliate program actually works. And here you can see how it works. This is the catch. They will pay you 10 cents for tier 2 clicks. What that means? That means you need to send traffic to TripAdvisor website, but you won't get money for those people. You will only get money when someone that you sent on TripAdvisor website, when click on one of their clients' websites, when visit one of their clients' websites. So that means you need to send people on TripAdvisor and then from TripAdvisor to their clients' websites. Only then you will get up to 10 cents per click. Now it looks hard, but actually it's not that hard. So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called Answer the Public. And then here you need to choose United States. I am going to choose United States, but you can choose any country that you want. Here I will choose English language, but like I said, you can choose any language that you want. And then here I will simply search for travel. Okay? But it is better if you can actually use a narrow keyword, but for the purpose of this video, I will use this broad keyword. And here you can see what are the most searched terms related to travel on internet. And what I actually like questions. And as you can see here, there is 150 questions, but you can also use propositions, comparisons, alphabetically or related. Like I said, I like questions. And here you can see what are the most often questions. Why travel to Portugal? Who travel around the world first? And so on and so on. So for example, here you can see where travel in May. Okay, I can use this keyword here. So what I need to do, I actually need to go on ChatGPT and I need to tell it to give me 5 titles, 5 catchy titles about this keyword. I will simply paste it here, press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me 5 catchy titles about this keyword here. And here you can see ChatGPT gave me 5 titles. Now I need to choose the title that I think is the best for me. So for example, let's just say I will use this first title here, okay? And next I need to tell ChatGPT to write me an article about this title here. And just press enter and now ChatGPT will write this article for me. Now I would strongly suggest to rewrite this article to look more like it's written by a real human being. Because many of these big websites, many of these big companies, they are actually fighting against articles that are written by different kind of chatbots. That is why I would suggest to actually rewrite these articles. So after you get this article from ChatGPT and after you rewrite this article, you need to publish this article on medium.com. For example, here you can see different articles and you need to include your TripAdvisor affiliate link in this article. Now in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to publish articles here on Medium. Maybe even better option is to actually publish that article on vocal.media. It is exactly the same like medium.com, but they actually rank articles that contain affiliate links on Google. It is actually a better option. And after you publish that article, you need to start driving as much traffic as you can towards that article. Now, best option for that is actually Pinterest. You need to share that article here on Pinterest. Like I said, that is the best option here. Also, you need to share that article on Twitter as well, on your Twitter page. You need to share it on related Facebook pages, on your related Facebook groups. You need to share it on related Reddit pages, Reddit communities, and subreddits. You need to share it on different kind of related forums. You need to simply click here on find forum and then click here on travel, and here you can see travel related forums. Also share it on your Instagram page, on your thread page. Share it wherever you can. Just start driving as much traffic as you can to this Medium or local media article that contains your affiliate link, your TripAdvisor affiliate link. And trust me guys, people will start clicking on your affiliate link and they will start visiting TripAdvisor clients' websites, and you will start making up to 10 cents for every click. So this is how you make money with CPA marketing in 2024, the legit way. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.